Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda Dax, or otherwise known as a Honda ST50. Really rare bike, kind of in the group of a monkey bike. Small little bike you fit in the back of your camper van and that kind of thing. They've become very collectible in the last few years, especially ones that are in really original condition and mint condition like this one is. This is a Japanese import also. You'll see there's no plate on the back of it, but we have it registered. We're just waiting for a plate from the plate guys down in Dunleary that we know. So we'll walk around the bike, just have a little spin of it. It only has 1,400 kilometers on it from new. Everything is original. It's a 4-speed version, which is the one everyone wants. It's got a clutch as well, which is cool, and it's got the original tires still on it, original everything. So we'll go from front to rear, and of course on original tires you have to expect some sort of aging on them, as you'll see throughout as well, but everything is original. Indicators, brake lights, everything clear. You can see it's been kept inside. Big up and over farmer's exhaust on it. Chrome is in mint condition. There's your 4-speed, even the sticker has no signs of wear. Honda Dax on the right hand side, and the kind of a chopper seat on it, which is original as well, which you might find unusual. Kickstart only. Here's the little engine, little signs of wear on the engine now, and on the rear brake there. Engine at the front. You do see these rust. If they've been outside, you'll know one straight away, because they have that full surface rust on them. This one doesn't. Front chrome is in really good condition with no pitting. That's just actually sticker debris there. And the forks, horn there, and the front headlamp assembly with the indicators original, and the front mudguard, and again the wearing or the aging in the front tire there. Onto the left hand side, front drum, and the shocks and the rubbers on the shocks are in good condition. Everything here, Honda Dax, no marks to make note of at all. You'll notice I haven't picked out one mark on the bike, and that's because there isn't any. Honda left hand side panel, there you can see all the Japanese writing. No, it's a Jap import, as you can see. A little bit of surface rusting on the rear left hand shock, and the chain here, and it has the chain guard, which is hard to find on these. Usually if anyone's doing any service work on the chain guard, they take off the chain guard. Any service on the chain even, they'll take off the chain guard, and then sure, it goes missing then for the rest of eternity. Up over the top, you'll see the dials over here are super clear, no yellowing or anything like that in the plastics, and it only has 1,472 kilometers on it. So that's it for the Honda Dax or Honda ST50. We'll now move on to the ride along video. Right, we're away on the ST50 Dax. It's one down and the rest up, so it's like a normal bike. It's not like the other Hondas in around this that you get like the CL50s, which are all down. And where are my indicators? Here they are. So we're just going to do a little loop. Here's a car coming, so I'm just going to take your time here. But as I said in the video, very rare little bike. And it being 4-speed, you're going to get a good bit more out of her than you would a lot of little 50s in around this. But as I said, super collectible with only 1,400 kilometers on it. I mean, it's less than 1,000 miles nearly, or just around 1,000 miles. It would be less than 1,000 miles, sorry. 1,600 miles is about 1,000 kilometers, so there's less than 1,000 miles on this bike. So, which is quite remarkable and kind of crazy to think that a bike of this age has only done 1,000 miles, but someone has actually looked after it, hasn't just been left outside and you can see that on the actual condition of the bike as well, because this bike certainly hasn't been left outside for any period of time. As you can see, we're going downhill now though, and you're going to get up to about 60 kilometers an hour, which is about all you want to do on a bike with less than 10-inch wheels on it. As you can see, I'm doing 60 already. You would probably get up to 70 if you get a good downhill spray at her. But it's nice actually having a clutch. I just much prefer having a little clutch than the seesaw gears like on a Honda 90 or something like that. It's fun having a clutch and all the things that go with it, just to engage yourself on the bike as you drive it, because you won't be going that fast, so you need something to keep you occupied. So let's just make a little turn in here onto the left. Sit her down. This is where I usually say, like, oh, you'll have no problems fitting on the bike with height wise, but I mean, if you can't fit on this bike with height, I mean, you won't fit on any bike. It's tiny, but I fit on it. I'm 6'2", so even that. Let me see, indicators we need to get sorted. I think it's just battery related, to be honest, because they're flickering there, so we get them sorted, no bother. It's not a big deal, but there she is. She's really cool looking little bike. I'll get a picture now for the YouTube video, so let me just get a little look like that, and bingo, there we are. So that's her little 4-speed ST50 Honda Dax, extremely rare here. It did go out with a number plate, which I shouldn't, but I'm not going out on the road, so it's running around the estate beside where we are, so it's okay. As I say, we'll be registered and ready to go for you to have a look at. The indicators will be sorted. It'll take us about 2 minutes to get them sorted. Won't be no problem at all. Everything else on the bike is lovely. So you're running lovely, 60-70 kilometers an hour out of your little ST Dax. Keep it in your room for 5 years and you'll make 500 to 1,000 quid. So that's what these bikes are like. So let me get on her, kick her to start, and off we go. Very quiet little engine as well, very sweet sounding. But that's been it for this video. It's the Honda Dax 50 review. If you haven't liked the video, please do leave a like and comment, and finally subscribe as well. And if you want to follow us on our socials, it's at Retro Bikes Dublin for our Facebook, Instagram, and our website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.